every woman's dream, really, isn't it?
Brilliant. Wonderful.
It was awesome.
It's an hour and a half of stand-up, basically.
5 stars.
Amazing experience.
I thought it was amazing. I'm in awe.
Fantastic.
I think a lot of people think they know Educating Rita as the play, and I think they'd be surprised by what they find.
It's a great night out and it's fun as well, and funny and moving, and what more could you ask for really in a play?
The chemistry between both the actors was untouchable.
It's one of the best plays I've seen this year.
I thought it was brilliant.
It's what the West End needs though, it's no different.
Strong performances.
Class performances.
Start to finish, funny, concise, really well acted, really well directed.
It was fantastic.
The two actors are ridiculous, like stupidly good.
It made me laugh, it made me smile, it made me cry. It was just a really, really great production.